saying goodbye to Lake Clackamas, and it is raining. As you can see, it's going to be raining for a couple of days. So we're heading up to Campbell River. So it's raining. Like I said, we're leaving the lake. And now we're on our way to Campbell River. Downtown.
That was weird. Her voice changed.
Her voice changed again,
Yeah.
but it was a girl this time. It wasn't a guy. Oh, look at the river.
Turn left onto Island Highway, British Columbia 19A South. Signs for British Columbia 19 alternate south downtown.
Downtown?
Continue on British Columbia 19A South for 2 kilometers.
So we went to get some stuff from the art store, and we got lots of gifts. Maybe spent a little too much money, but it's worth it because it's all local artists, and that place rocked. It had pottery, art classes. Oh, I could have stayed there all day. Well, there is the ocean in Campbell River. Oh, look at all the birds. There it is. This is a great place to walk. I remember walking this, how many years ago, Papa?
Lots.
Lots of years ago.
Probably 2013, maybe 12, 13.
Wow. So Papa says technically if I see a truck camper that is not on the move, I can count it. Yeah, but that's not on top of a truck.
Yeah, but they own it, and there's another one.
Oh, so that's 3 I gotta mark. Oh, is this a truck camper?
Yeah, that's another one.
That's 4. Okay, so we're up to about 20, I'm sure now. So we're on our way back to Jan Bray's Camp Calamity tonight, and then we're on our way home to the mainland.
Yeah, well then we hit the ferry tomorrow morning.
Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Very windy today, you can tell by the white crest. The ocean is angry.
I would just say slightly irritated.
Slightly irritated, okay. Sounds better. Oh, it's a rest area as well. Right here. Yep. Shoreline Park. Oh, very pretty.
Truck camper.
Oh. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oyster Bay Resorts. Look at these cabins. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oyster Bay Resort. Remember that. It's got a little, oh, and it's got its own lodge. This. Oh, it's a little golf. I think it was mini golf. That's adorable. What a cute little town, Cumberland. It is adorable. They have a third street and it is fantastic. Look at this.
Truck camper.
Another one?
Did you count that one?
No, I did not. Here's the bakery we hit. The bakery we hit right here, Cumberland Village Bakery. And this is the main
Take
street.
the next left onto 4th Street.
There's that guy. Here's the coffee shop. Oh, it's so cute. And another truck camper, Papa. Adorable. Adorable little town. Now back to the
Continue
highway.
for 2 kilometers.
Take the next right onto Cumberland Road, then turn left onto Holden Corso Road.
In 300 meters, turn left. Arriving at destination on left.
You've arrived.
You have arrived. Oh, they're both home. They're both home today. We'll just pull in this way then. I don't know how we're gonna get out.
Just gonna back out.
Okay. All right.
Hang on.
It's 7:17, but reality is it's 6:17 back home. We're having morning coffee, getting ready to hit the ferry.
Where we can have more coffee.
Yes. I'm Tracy,
And I'm Christian.
and we are Tumbleweed RV Life.